Imagine being informed about a simple action that you can undertake immediately, resulting in instant positive outcomes for your brain, including improved mood and focus. Furthermore, picture that this same action can provide long-term advantages, shielding your brain from various conditions such as depression, Alzheimer's disease, or dementia. Would you be willing to engage in such an activity? Undoubtedly. We are referring to the remarkable impacts of physical activity. The act of moving your body in its simplest form produces immediate, enduring, and safeguarding benefits for your brain. These benefits can extend throughout your lifetime. Today, the aim is to present a story recounting the utilization of extensive knowledge in neuroscience by a professor in the field. The professor conducted a self-experiment to explore the scientific foundation behind the remarkable impact of exercise on the brain. The human brain, located within our heads, stands as the most intricate structure known to humanity. Describing the brain is one thing, but witnessing it firsthand is an entirely different experience. Here we have an authentic, preserved human brain that will help illustrate two crucial areas of focus for today's discussion. The first area of interest lies within the prefrontal cortex, situated directly behind the forehead. This region plays a crucial role in decision-making, concentration, attention, and personality. The second significant area is found in the temporal lobe, visible here. Within the brain, two temporal lobes exist, namely the right and left, while deep within the temporal lobe lies a vital structure called the hippocampus. The hippocampus is instrumental in the formation and retention of long-term memories concerning facts and events. The professor has always held a fascination for the hippocampus. How is it possible that a fleeting moment such as a first kiss or the birth of one's child can imprint a memory that alters the brain and lasts a lifetime? This is the enigma the professor sought to unravel. The initial step involved recording the activity of individual brain cells within the hippocampus while subjects formed new memories. The aim was to decipher how these brief surges of electrical activity, which serve as the means of communication between neurons, either facilitated or hindered the formation of a new memory. This distinguished professor of neural science made a remarkable decision to completely shift the direction of her research program. The decision stemmed from an astonishing encounter that possessed the potential to revolutionize countless lives. The discovery and personal experience of exercise's transformative effects on the brain. Strangely enough, this realization unfolded unintentionally. At that time, the professor was fully immersed in her memory-related investigations. Data poured in, her reputation grew within the field, and everything seemed promising from a scientific standpoint. However, upon venturing beyond the confines of her laboratory, an observation caught her attention. Her social life had dwindled to near non-existence. Countless hours were spent in solitude, listening to the chatter of brain cells within a dimly lit room. Physical movement had become alien to her, leading to a weight gain of 25 pounds. Gradually, over the course of several years, the professor came to a disheartening realization: she was miserable. This realization was puzzling, as it was undeserved. One fateful day, the professor embarked on a solo river rafting expedition, an outing necessitated by the absence of a social circle. Upon returning, a profound realization dawned upon her. She had been the weakest person on that journey. Driven by this newfound awareness, this resolve propelled her towards the gym, where her tenacious Type A personality took charge. With unwavering determination, she dabbled in various exercise classes, embracing kickboxing, dancing, yoga, and step aerobics. Initially, the journey was ambitious, but after each sweat-inducing workout, an uplifting mood and surge of energy enveloped her, a phenomenon that fueled her commitment to returning to the gym. Over time, the professor experienced a sense of physical strength and enhanced well-being. She even managed to shed the extra weight she had gained. Fast-forwarding a year and a half into her regular exercise routine, a significant realization prompted her to sit up and take notice. Engrossed in writing a research grant at her desk, an unprecedented thought materialized in her mind. Surprisingly, it was a notion she had never before entertained. Grant writing is progressing smoothly today. Scientists familiar with the challenges of grant writing chuckled upon hearing this, as it is notorious for being an immensely difficult task and often leads to frustration and hair-pulling. However, the professor discerned that her grant writing was indeed progressing favorably due to her improved ability to focus and sustain attention for more extended periods. Furthermore, she noticed a marked improvement in her long-term memory, a subject of her own research. It was at this moment that all the pieces fell into place for the professor. Perhaps the incorporation of exercise into her life unknowingly conducted an experiment on her own brain. Driven by curiosity as a neuroscientist, she delved into existing literature to explore the known effects of exercise on the brain. The discoveries she made were enthralling, as the growing body of research echoed the positive changes she had personally observed. Better mood, increased energy, improved memory, and enhanced attention were among the documented benefits. The more she learned, the more she realized the profound impact of exercise, leading her to make a pivotal decision: to completely shift her research focus. After dedicating several years to this inquiry, she arrived at a significant conclusion. Exercise is the most transformative action one can undertake to benefit the brain. This conclusion is based on 3 key reasons. Firstly, exercise exerts immediate effects on the brain. A single workout immediately elevates levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and noradrenaline, resulting in an improved mood, an effect congruent with her own experiences. Her research demonstrated that a single workout enhances the ability to shift and maintain attention, with these cognitive improvements lasting for at least 2 hours. Additionally, studies have shown that exercise enhances reaction times, enabling individuals to react swiftly in critical situations. However, these immediate effects are transient and offer temporary benefits. To experience lasting effects, individuals must, like the researcher, modify her exercise regimen and enhance her cardiorespiratory function. Engaging in regular exercise brings about enduring changes to the brain's anatomy, physiology, and function. Notably, the hippocampus, the researcher's favorite brain area, is influenced by exercise. Exercise stimulates the production of new brain cells in the hippocampus, leading to an increase in its volume and an enhancement of long-term memory. Secondly, numerous neuroscience studies have consistently demonstrated that long-term exercise yields improvements in attention function, which relies on the prefrontal cortex. This exercise-induced enhancement of focus and attention is accompanied by an increase in hippocampal volume. Lastly, exercise exhibits not only immediate mood-boosting effects, but also long-lasting ones. The significance of exercise lies in the impact on the 2 most vulnerable areas of the brain, the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus. These regions are particularly susceptible to neurodegenerative disorders and age-related cognitive decline. Engaging in regular exercise throughout one's lifetime cannot cure dementia or Alzheimer's disease. However, it can fortify the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, making it more resistant to the onset and progression of these conditions. In essence, exercise acts as a potent investment for the brain, akin to a supercharged 401k. What makes it even more remarkable is that it comes at no cost. At this juncture, people often express curiosity about the minimum exercise required to attain these beneficial changes. The good news is that one does not need to become a triathlete to experience these effects. By incorporating exercise into one's life, not only does it lead to a happier and more secure present, but it also serves as a safeguard against irreversible illnesses. Consequently, exercise has the potential to positively alter the course of one's life. If you know any other benefits of brain exercises, let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.